Sa video ngayon, I'm gonna share everything you need to know about the new Canva Create 2024 update. Canva just came out with some exciting updates at tinawag nila itong Canva Glow Up. Meron silang bagong homepage and a powerful new editor along with about 50 new design features that you're going to love. As a side note, hindi pa rolled out ang Canva Create 2024 update pero abangan nyo kasi malapit na itong maging available for all users. Let's dive into all the details of these incredible updates. Una, pag-usapan natin ng bagong homepage. Ni-redesign ng Canva ang homepage to make it more intuitive and user-friendly. Ang bagong layout ay may streamlined navigation kaya mas madali nang hanapin at ma-access lahat ng tools at features that you need. The menu has been reorganized to ensure that everything is logically arranged, reducing the time you spend searching for tools. Isa sa pinaka-exciting addition sa homepage ay ang personalized design recommendations nito. Ngayon, ina-analyze ng Canva ang past projects and preferences mo para mag-suggest ng templates at design elements na swak sa style mo. Useful ito for those who regularly create similar types of content as it helps you quickly find the perfect starting point for your new designs. Mas accessible na ngayon ng recent projects mo, allowing you to jump back into your work with just a click. Ang bagong homepage ay may thumbnails din ng most recent designs mo so you can easily pick up where you left off. Significant improvement ito for those who juggle multiple projects na kailangan mag-switch in between efficiently. Next up, the new Canva editor. Totally na binago ng Canva ang editor nila to provide an even more powerful and flexible design experience. Mas mabilis at responsive na ang bagong editor kaya smoother na ang design process with less lag. Optimize na ang backend ng Canva to handle larger projects more efficiently, which means you can work on high-resolution images and complex designs without experiencing slowdowns. Na-reorganize na ang toolbar to make the most commonly used tools more accessible. Ang design na ito reduces the learning curve for new users and makes experienced users even more efficient. May bagong customization options that allow for more precise control over your designs, giving you the flexibility to create exactly what you envision in Canva. Ngayon, madali nang ma-manage at ma-organize ng multiple layers within your design. Tara na't pag-usapan natin ang 15 new design features that Canva has introduced. These features are designed to enhance your creativity and streamline your workflow. First, Magic Resize Pro easily resizes your designs for different platforms sa isang click lang. Ang feature na ito is a huge time saver for anyone who needs to create multiple versions of a design para sa social media, websites, at print. Sunod ay ang Brand Kit expansion. Expanded Brand Kit options allow for more detailed brand management, including fonts, colors, at logos. Ngayon, makakagawa ka na ng multiple brand kits in a single account, making it easier to manage different brands or projects. Advanced animation. Ngayon, ang bagong animation features give your design dynamic movement and interactivity. You can now create more sophisticated animation with keyframe control, allowing for smooth transitions and effects. Ang next step ay enhanced collaboration. Improved collaboration tool makes it easier to work with your team in real time. May bagong features na gaya ng live cursor tracking kung saan makikita mo kung anong ginagawa ng mga ka-team mo. Meron ding version history which allows you to revert to previous versions of your design if needed. Sunod ay AI-powered design suggestions. Ang AI-driven suggestions to help you enhance your designs with smart recommendations. Kaya ng Canva AI na i-analyze ang design mo at mag-suggest ng improvements such as color adjustments, look pairings, and layout changes. Next up is customizable templates. More flexible template customization options fit your specific needs at Canva has added new template categories and improved the customization options for existing templates. Next, pag-usapan natin ang Background Remover Pro at ang improved na background remover for more precise edits. Ang bagong background remover uses advanced algorithms to more accurately detect and remove backgrounds from images. Lastly, meron ding stock media library expansion which provides access to an even larger library of high-quality stock photos, videos, and audio. Canva has partnered with more stock media providers to give you a wider selection of assets to choose from. Kung naghahanap ka ng magandang visuals o background music, andito na lahat sa pinalawak na library ng Canva. Next, pag-usapan natin ang bagong effects at filters. Additional photo effects and filters elevate your visual content. Canva has added a variety of new effects tulad ng glitch, duotone, at vintage, pati advanced filters that let you fine-tune the look of your photos. Next up ay interactive elements. Pwede kang mag-add ng interactive elements sa design mo like clickable buttons and links. This feature is great for creating interactive presentations, online portfolios, and digital brochures. Mas magiging engaging at functional ang designs by adding this interactivity. Next up, data visualization tools. Ito ay advanced tools for creating engaging infographics and data visualizations. Pinapaganda ng Canva ang chart at graph tools nila, allowing you to create more detailed and visually appealing data visualizations. Presentation enhancements. Nagdagdag ang Canva ng bagong slide transition effects, templates, at layout options to create professional presentations. Pwede mo ring i-embed ang video at animation diretso sa iyong slides para mas dynamic ang presentation mo. Print products integration, which allows for easier integration with Canva's print services to bring your designs to life. Canva has streamlined the process of ordering prints kaya mas madali nang gawing physical products ang iyong digital designs. Let's talk about the video editing improvements that enhance video editing capabilities, including new transitions and effects. Nagdagdag ang Canva ng mas maraming tools para sa pag-edit at pag-enhance ng videos, making it easier to create polished video content. Document management improved. Mas pinadali ang pag-manage ng documents for organizing your projects more effectively. Canva has introduced new tools for categorizing, pag-tag at pag-search ng designs mo, making it easier to keep track of your projects. Tara na't pag-usapan ng features ng Canva Pro. Kahit na marami na ang pwedeng gawin sa free plan ng Canva, upgrading to Canva Pro unlocks even more potential. Canva Pro provides access to inclusive templates, stock photos, and design elements. Ibig sabihin, mas madali kang makagawa ng unique at professional designs without spending time searching for assets elsewhere. Ang Pro users ay makakapag-utilize ng expanded brand kit para masiguro ang brand consistency sa lahat ng designs. A few other advanced tools, features like Magic Resize Pro, background remover, and advanced animation are only available through Pro users. Ngayon na na-cover na natin ang updates on Canva Glow Up, let's explore some practical applications and examples of how you can use these tools in your projects. Number 1, social media marketing. Sa bagong animation at interactive elements ng Canva, you can create engaging social media posts that stands out in users' feeds. Number 2, business branding. Ang expanded brand kit at advanced customization options make it easier than ever to create consistent branding across all of your materials. Gamit ang Magic Resize Pro feature to quickly adapt your design for different platforms, ensuring your brand looks great everywhere. Number 3, content creation. Kung ikaw ay content creator, you can benefit from Canva's enhanced video editing tools and new effects. Kaya mong gumawa ng polished na video content at visually appealing na infographics that captivate your audience and convey your message effectively. Number 4, event promotion. Kung nagpaplano ka ng event, gamitin mo ang bagong templates at customization options ng Canva to create stunning invitations, posters, at social media graphics. The print integration makes it easy to order high-quality prints of your designs. Number 5, educational materials. Ang educators ay makakagamit ng data visualization tools ng Canva to create engaging and informative educational materials. The new presentation feature makes it easy to create dynamic and interactive lessons that keep students engaged. Number 6, portfolio development. Ang freelancers at creatives can use Canva para gumawa ng professional portfolios that showcase their work. Lastly, pag-usapan natin ng ilang tips para ma-maximize ang potential ng Canva. First, explore tutorials at resources. Maraming tutorials at resources na available sa Canva to help you get the most out of the platform. Take advantage of these resources para matuto ka ng new techniques and discover creative ways to use Canva's features. Next, mag-join sa Canva community. Dito, makakakonect ka sa ibang users, share your work, and get feedback. Participating in community challenges and discussions can inspire new ideas and help you improve your skills. You can also try out the new features. Huwag matakot sa pag-experiment with Canva's new features. Try out different effects, animations, customization options to see what works best for your projects. Lastly, mag-keep up ka sa updates. Manatiling updated sa bagong tools at features by following Canva's blog and social media channels. This will ensure you're always using the latest and greatest features. To wrap up, ang Canva Create 2024 update ay game changer, offering a refreshed interface and a suite of new features to enhance your design experience. Kung di mo pa natatry ang Canva, i-click mo lang yung link sa description para makapag-sign up at makakuha ng free trial ng Canva Pro. Pag na-click mo na yung link sa description, makikita mo lahat ng options. You can get started with Canva Free o kaya start a free trial of Canva Pro, Canva Teams, or Canva Enterprise. Makakapag-save ka pa ng content when you sign up yearly rather than monthly. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa tutorial na to at nakatulong ito para ma-maximize mo ang Canva. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.